Listen to this, okay?
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You seen them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What up, my kings and queens? Welcome back to the kingdom. It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks. Back in the building, man. And today, I got that special delivery from UPS. Y'all know I love UPS. I love it when they come and deliver stuff, man. Because you know your boy got shopping habits. I got a shoe fetish. I mean, look at the castle. So anyway, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Before we get started, I need for y'all to do me a good old favor. Make sure that you smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. What you waiting on, man? I'm coming with the fire. I'm coming with the heat. And make sure that you hit that bell while you at it. You get me? You feel me? So today, I got it in, man. You know, I got that old special delivery. So the question is, what is in the Nike Just Steal It box? We gonna get straight to it because I'm excited about this shoe, man. I've been anticipating the shoe and I'm excited about the shoe. But today, bruh, today, shock drop of the 11s. I'm in my feelings, man. They did me wrong. Sneakers app, you did me wrong, and you guys always do me wrong, and I'm tired of it. I'm just saying. I tried to get it, wasn't able to get it. Something was going on with the card, wouldn't let it go through. Then when it finally did go through, it told me that the 12 was gone out of my size. So I went back and tried to get 11 and a half, and guess what? It was sold out. Yeah, wrong. So your boy gotta wait until next month. Crazy, man. Shark drop, man. Crazy. Crazy. Y'all comment down below, man. Let me know, was y'all able to grab those things today, man? Was you able to get them? The Braid 11s? Or was you even going for them? You know what I'm saying? So, y'all see it. I guess I opened it upside down. Didn't even realize it. Let's see. Pluck it, file it away. And the box. Yes. First look at the presentation. It's Tiffany color. I like the box. So, I mean, even with the Jordan 13, you had the OG silver box with the Tiffany Jumpman. This is the Tiffany the silver Jumpman with the Tiffany colored box. I like the box. I love special boxes, man. But shoe reads Air Jordan 5 Retro single day, size 12, my size. So I was real excited about this shoe, man, to be honest with y'all. I feel like I wanted this one in my collection, which is why I went after it. But then when I found out that the whole shoe was in 3M, I lost it. I gotta have it, bring it into the kingdom, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna see it, man. Just gonna see how it goes. Same time. All right. Y'all see the paper? Kind of see through. You can kind of see through the paper, but y'all check that out. This shoe is fire. Oh yeah. Hold on, man. I gotta bring both of these out. Hold on. This shoe is fire. This shoe is dope as hell. I don't care what nobody says. I like it. Looking at the bottoms, I mean the bottoms look like they glow in the dark, but I doubt if they do. I'm actually gonna try that and see if they glow in the dark. Cause if they do, that'll just be so lit. Looking at it, man. Look at that. That netting on there. It's the Singles Day 5 here, man. Black shoestrings. There are no other shoestrings with it. You know, 5s usually don't come with extra shoestrings. And you have the tongue, and y'all know the tongue is 3M. You got your Tiffany colored Jordan Jumpman on the back. You know what I'm saying? You got your shark's teeth looking good. It's kind of like an Oreo speckles. You know what I'm saying? But you have this aqua color all throughout the shoe, through the eyelets and on the tongue. Now the inside of the shoe, it's similar to, now, you ever know the Michigan 5s that came out? It has that same type of material up in it. And in the tongue, I have no idea what that says, but if you do know what that says, if you can read Asian, Chinese, Mandarin, whatever this is, y'all comment down below, let me know what that means or what that says. I don't know, it's kind of creased right here. It's like almost like if someone tried my shoe on. I don't know what the heck that is, but we'll find out. Hopefully no one did. But, I mean, it came straight from Nike, but you never know. So, I mean, the uppers, you're looking at it, it is not, I don't know what type of material this is, but one selling point that I did love, because if you look at it, you see how the prints on here, right? So, one thing that I did find out about the shoe was actually an even bigger selling point for me was the fact that this whole shoe is 3M. So just like my other reflectives, the whole shoe is reflective. So I'm definitely going to give you guys some B-roll on that, and we're going to check them out. And you know your boy going to have to do it on foot, man. Your boy going to have to do it on foot. Even with the Jumpman, it would have been cool if the Jumpman had been this other color, this aqua type color, this Tiffany color. But you had your Jumpman in there with the, oh man. I'm excited about this shoe, man. Y'all comment down below, let me know how y'all feel about it. Did you grab a pair of these? Did you like them? Did you like them or did you pass on them? You know, shoe tree to the side. Oh yeah. Check out the carpet in there. You know what I'm saying? Just like those Michigan 5s. It's this other color, but it's that same type of material. So, I mean, honestly, with me, I'm really feeling this one. I like this shoe. So your boy definitely gonna put on some on feet. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these. How much you, did you guys grab these or not? Or was this not your cup of tea? Because, you know, Jordan Brand did come with several of these shoes that's going to have these colors. So, like the Jordan 13, you know what I'm saying? I did grab those. Y'all can check out that video. If you haven't already, I will put the card up here. And these 5s. And there's also a third one with the same type of colorway, which is the Jordan 34 Snow Leopard. And those actually release tomorrow. And I want to grab those, but I'm not sure how the 34 fits, so I'm thinking about grabbing those. Those are going to be retailing for $180. These did retail for $225. I know a lot of people are scared. That price point did scare them away, but you know what? This is, remember, I told y'all, I cop what I like. I go ahead and grab what I like, and that's exactly what I did. These are fire. These are hot. As a matter of fact, hold on. I'm finna show y'all the 3M. Y'all check that out, man. That is fire to me. I love that. So not just the tongue, is 3M, like you usually like on your Jordan 5s, but the whole shoe is 3M, man. That is clean as hell. That is clean as hell, man. You gotta look. I mean, if you're into the 3M, this is the shoe. And that's one of the things that did make it pop for me. Because it's crazy because even the 34 is called Snow Leopard, but that's kind of like what this 5 looks like. Snow Leopard spots. And that 3M. Reflective. The whole shoe is 3M. And if anybody y'all know, I love 3M. I love reflectives. That is clean, man. So y'all comment down below. Let me know, did you guys like these? Did you guys grab a pair of these? Did you like these 3Ms, whatever? Matter of fact, give me a thumbnail in there. But y'all comment down below. Let me know what you guys grab these, what you guys think about them, or do you even rock with 5s? I know a lot of people may not rock with 5s. A lot of people don't like. They think they're bulky and bed and stompers. But I like 5s, lows and the highs.
Dope, man, I let these suckers taste them. Air Force Ones with the Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got the Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom.
I'm jumping now, looking fresh like a dead man's casket. J's up on my damn feet, and the new ones gotta have it. Closet full of fucking shoes, looking like a shoe bastard. So many damn shoes, they call me a fucking track. J's up on my fucking feet, stuck to me like human teeth. I don't really give a fingers up. Matching hat, matching tee, watch and see like the weather change. A new pair every week. Air Force One, the J's I gotta see on my fucking feet. Doing it big, doing it right. Shit, I can do it all night. And drink, money in bank, scuff my J's, I make it stink. Know you better think before you get close to these damn J's. Have your body decomposed like it was hit with a set of A's, and cut your ass up like it was chopped up by a set of blades. Niggas hate, I'm getting paid and make them turn twice.
Real blue J's. Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You seen them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. 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 Dope, man, I let these suckers taste them. Air Force Ones with the Air Force Ones.
Appreciate you guys for tuning in. It's your boy Kings 23 Kicks here with another video, and I greatly appreciate you guys for supporting your boy. Make sure that you like the channel, you subscribe, share the channel, you know what I'm saying, with your friends, your cousins, your aunts, nieces and nephews, and so we can grow this kingdom. Hey, all my kings, stand up, and all my queens, make sure that you stand beside your king. And always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.
Do it all night, sip and drink, money in bank, scuff my J's, I make it stink. So you better think before you get close to these damn J's. Have your body decomposed like it was hit with a set of A's, and cut your ass up like it was chopped up by a set of blades. Niggas hate, I'm getting paid and make them turn twice.
Real blue J's. Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You seen them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom.